It's all about making connections, engaging people, and getting them to understand what your drive is. Like what drives you? Why do you want to make a good book? Why is it important to make a good book? Yearbook Editors is really for anyone who is an editor. It doesn't have to be the editor-in-chief. It's for anyone who wants to learn leadership skills.
Many deadlines, yeah.
I just found Yearbook to be like a very cool way to express creativity and just make something that the community can enjoy as a collective.
I'm really hoping that the kids this week who are here go home with a better sense of how to be a leader. That you need to engage kids before you can get them excited and before you can get them really devoted to your book.
You have to be able to work together in order to make a yearbook, so you have to be able to accept everyone and use everybody else's talents.
I get as much from them, I think, sometimes as they get from me, because I hear different ways different staffs organize, the way they tackle the problems that we all face. So it's always sort of re-energizing, and it's just a little boost you need to go back to school in a couple weeks.